welcome back to Be Beautethical. My name is Archana. Right now I am lying down because this is a makeup challenge. This challenge I have not seen on YouTube till now at least. So this is something that I have created in a way. So this makeup I'm going to do while in a lying down position. I have all the makeup products somewhere over here. So I'm not going to get up to pick up the products as well, and I have a small hand mirror here somewhere, the one that I use, because this is not a no mirror makeup challenge. I'm allowed to use a mirror, so I'm going to do that, but without lifting my head up and looking at another mirror, and without lifting my head to pick up any of the products. So let's get right into the video. And I have applied a moisturizer and lip balm, and now let me hunt for my foundation. So just, where is it? Yeah, there. So today I'm using this Ace of Face foundation stick from Nyx Cosmetics, and I'm going to, I hope it's not light for me now that I have tanned a little bit, but this is the only thing that I have here right now. So we will have to make that work. And I am also going to add a corrector. So I had kept it in a box like this because I didn't want to touch the color with my fingers. So here is the corrector, and this is the corrector from Kryolan. It is D30 from the Derma range, and I have to hunt for a brush. And all I'm getting are eyeshadow brushes. Let me just pick up, yeah, concealer brush. So, ow, that was not good. So I'm just going to take a little bit of corrector, and that's it. I don't know where I get the box, so I'm just going to place it behind somewhere here. And I am first going to apply a little bit of corrector. And I'm not going to use a concealer today. I'm just going to conceal with the foundation because I don't want a lot of product on my face today. So I think that's good. I'm not using a lot of corrector either. Just on the inner corners. Yeah, you can see. And a little bit here on the corners of my mouth, and that's it. Now that I have dropped all my brushes, I really don't know how I'm going to pick everything up. So I was away from YouTube for some time because I was not sure what kind of videos I wanted to do. I did not want to do regular makeup videos anymore because I wanted to do something different. So I came up with a few challenges which I have not seen till now on YouTube. I found them interesting, so I am going to try and film all of them one by one now, and I hope you guys also find it interesting. If you have any interesting suggestions, please do let me know. Leave them down in the comment section below, and I will film those as well for you. It's a little difficult to look at you at this angle and do my makeup at the same time because I don't have a mirror like standing in front of me. So my hands have already started paining. This foundation has become light for me because I have tanned, I guess. So we'll just like make it work, warm it up a little bit, warm up the face a little bit a little later when we are doing our contour and stuff. But for now I think this is good, at least in this position and in this mirror. I think it looks good. When I get up from here and see what I have done in a bigger mirror, I think that's when we will know. Just give me a minute. I am just going to pick up the brushes. I'm not going to lift up my head, but I'm just going to try and pick up so stupid. Ah, ooh. I picked it up. Now the next step is I'm going to powder my face very quickly. So where is the powder? And I'm so glad I chose this luxury powder from Ben Nye in the shade Beige Suede, because this is a darker shade and this should darken up my foundation a little bit. Now the challenge is that I have to take this foundation in this cap. So there you go. I think it's going to fall in my hair as well. This is a challenge. Not so easy. So the excess is also falling on my face. There's a lot of powder already on my shirt. Let's just ignore it and move ahead. Now, blush, contour and highlight. Now where is my blush palette? Yeah, there it is. So today I'm using this Contour the Force face palette from Sugar Cosmetics. It's one of my favorites and it has like blush, a contour and a highlight shade, and the shades are just perfect for my skin tone. So I am going to use a blush brush. Yes, I don't want to drop it again. Yeah, found it. I'm going to keep it on the other side so that it's easier for me to take it. So now, since this has a mirror in it, I can use that for this purpose. It's not a very big mirror, but yeah. So there I'm first going to contour. I don't know if I'm getting the right angle, but I'm just hoping for the best. I have used up a lot of the contour shade from this palette. Whether I use a foundation or not, I do use this face palette a lot, even without a foundation underneath. This is my go-to palette. And then using the same blush brush and cleaning it a little bit on the back of my hand, I am taking a little bit of blush and I'm just going to apply it like that. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to use the highlighter. That's funny. Now for the brows. So I am going to use this Ben Nye Essential Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, that brown color. I'm going to use this angular brush like I normally do, and I am going to take that shade. It's a little time consuming and a little difficult because you need to like put things back really carefully and pick up things carefully. Why is my brush shedding hair like that? I really can't make out if my eyebrow is filled in properly or not. Have you guys ever tried doing makeup lying down? When I thought of this challenge, I was like, it's gonna be lame. But then I thought, you know, let me just give it a try. But now that I'm doing this, I think you guys should try it. You really can't make out if you are doing the right thing or not. Trust me, it's not like sitting down and looking at your face in the mirror straight. This is strange. I mean, you can see your face in the mirror straight, but it's not the same thing. You know what I mean? Try it. You'll know. I don't know if they're identical. I think they're not. A little bit here and there. But I'm just going to stop here and move on. I'm just going to use this blending brush, and using the same shade, I'm going to do a corner definition and a crease definition. I always start on this side, so I'm starting on this side. So that's your corner and that's your crease. I don't think I will ever know if I'm doing the right thing. I don't know if I'm balanced. I'm trying to know. So it's not going to be as blind as the no mirror makeup challenge, but this still is a challenge. My hands are actually paining from holding them at that angle for a long time. Okay, I'm not resting my hands, although I want to, and that fell down. So yeah, there. And then I'm gonna just take a flat eyeshadow brush. Flat, yeah, eyeshadow brush like that one. And I'm going to take this shade called Nutty from the Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow Singles. And I'm just going to place it on my lid. And I'm just going to take it that. Oh, everything is falling on me. And that's a beautiful shade. Before I go back to any of that, let me just I'm not gonna get, yeah. So I'm just gonna take a thin pencil brush and I'm gonna use the same shade, and I'm gonna give a inner corner lower lash line definition. This is the same shade Nutty. Before I put it back and I have to find it again, I thought let me just complete whatever I have to do with it. Alright, so that went into my eyes. No issues. And then from the same Ben Nye palette, I'm going to take the same shade that we had earlier used for the brows and for the corner definition, and I'm just going to use it on the outer corner. I had my Nykaa highlighter here somewhere, yeah. So I have this beautiful highlighter from Nykaa, and I think I'm going to use this bronzy shade in the center of my eyelid. Doesn't have a mirror, would have made my life a little bit easier. So right in the center, I'm just going to pop the eyelid with this shade. It's a beautiful shade. And I'm also going to use the same shade and give a little bit of brown highlight, and that went on to my brows. And I had a few other products here. I had a green eye pencil. Where is that? This is the eyeliner. I have an eyelash curler. I forgot about it completely. Things are rolling towards me. Oh, I forgot about the lipstick and the mascara. And what else? Oh, come on. There's the green pencil. Yeah. There it is. That's the Forest Green Eye Pencil from P.A.C. It's a beautiful pencil, and I'm going to use it in my waterline. And it will not be difficult. I have an eyeliner as well to use today, and I don't know how I'm going to use it with just one hand. I think it has smudged a little bit underneath, especially on this side. I don't know why on this side as much and not on this side as much, but we will go with it. Where has my eyeliner gone? That's my eyeliner. This is Arrested for Overstay from Sugar Cosmetics. Let's see how this goes. It's smudging. Why? I do the same thing when I'm sitting down, man. Yeah, I don't know why I closed that eye while doing the eyeliner, because I don't normally. Maybe I thought I was sleeping or some shit like that. Yeah, because I normally don't close my eyes when I'm doing eyeliner. In my tips for for eyeliner as well. I've mentioned don't close your eyes, don't close your eyes, and then when I'm doing my eyeliner, boop, gone. So this side has turned out to be much better because I followed my own tip on this side and not on this side. So we'll try and correct that a little bit. What do you think? So eyeliner was not a very good idea while you are lying down and doing makeup. So avoid that if you're doing this. And then this much. And then that's good. And now for the mascara. Where's my mascara? Oh. Yes, there it is. So I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. Lower lash mascara is going to be a nightmare because for lower lash line I normally tilt my head forward and do it. Oh, that's not as bad actually. That's not bad actually because I can still tilt my head like that. The upper lashes mascara. This is a little difficult. I'm not going too heavy with the mascara today, and I'm not going to do multiple coats today because I don't want to further smudge anything onto my eyeshadow. So I think I'll just leave it with one coat on. My hands are paining. Okay. So for the last step, yeah, that's the lipstick. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Vintage or Retro, and it's the liquid lip. So I had already moisturized my lips earlier. I don't do so well with liquid lips if I don't moisturize my lips enough. So there. I think lipstick is something that I can apply it in any situation. I just need to stop talking, I guess. That's the only situation I think in which I can't apply lipstick when I'm talking. So I think I'm just going to take the foundation brush. Okay, so the lipstick hasn't turned out that great. I spoke too soon. So that's it, right? I mean, everything else is done. I think so. So now let me just get up, see the look myself and show it to you guys. So as you can see, things are like okay on my face because I had a mirror, but things are not so perfect as well because if you see under this eye, the eyeliner like smudged on the inner corner, both on the upper side as well as the lower side. So it has become a little like dirty, not so perfect. And also the lipstick on this side, so it has something to do with my left side. And also there have been powder spills on my t-shirt, so I'll have to go and clean that up. But all in all, I enjoyed this challenge. I hope you did too, because I had to find the products from the floor without looking at them. Although I knew what products I had kept, but I still missed using the eyelash curler which I had kept, and lashes anyway I was not going to use. But I think that's the only thing that I did not use, so it was not that bad. I had actually also kept Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow quad, but it's okay because the eyeshadows that I have used are good enough. Everything else overall is okay. So even though this was not like, oh my god, I don't have a mirror kind of a challenge, it still challenged me because my hands really started paining like right here beyond a point, and I still had to continue and finish my makeup. So that was a real challenge to go on, especially with your hands paining. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you again very soon in my next cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.